Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's episode on human activities. In previous class, we were discussing about human activities. In human activities, two broad categories. One is economic activities and non-economic activities. Human activities means our activities, our day-to-day activities. We used to engage, we used to perform, and we used to do so many activities for our psychological satisfaction and economic satisfaction. In order to earn money, right, we perform so many activities. In economic activities, business, profession and employment. In the viewpoint of NCERT syllabus, as per our NCERT syllabus, we must discuss and we have to discuss much towards various economic activities. So here, firstly, let us come to know the meaning of economic activity or economic activities. What are economic activities or what is economic activity? Economic activity nothing but an activity will be performed with the expectation of earning money. I mean, we do some activities and we engage some activities for the sake of earning money called economic activities. And non-economic activities means we perform some activities not for the sake of money. Those are non-economic activities. Example, donating fund to orphanages, giving money to beggars or poor people, or helping blind people to cross the road, right? And cooking and serving food to the family members, right? Donating funds or money to the temples. These are the examples for non-economic activity. Here we perform some activities not for the sake of money. We perform some activities for the sake of money, economic. So here in economic activities, for the sake of money, right? For the sake of money, we do business, profession, employment, right? To earn money, business, profession and employment. First one, business. To earn money, we start business, right? To earn money, we start business and we earn money in the form of profit, right? Business to get the profit, right? Business to earn the money in the form of profit, and profession to earn the money in the form of fees. Employment to earn the money in the form of salary or wages. Right here, we earn money from the business in the form of profit. We earn the money from the profession in the form of fees. We earn the money from the employment in the form of salary. Firstly, let us come to know the meaning of business. What is business? Business means an economic activity. See, very simple. In economic activities, first one, business. What is business? An economic activity deals with purchase of required resources, production of products and distribution of products to the end user or the customer with the expectation of earning profit is called business. Example is a businessman. Mr. X is a businessman, is an employer, he started business. He is producing products and he is selling products to the customers for the sake of earning profit, business. And businessman doesn't require any qualifications. Investment is very important, capital is very important, risk taking, risk bearing ability is very important. No need of qualifications. Capital is very important, resources are very important to start the business. Ideas are very important, skills are very important, strategies are very important to start the business. And do remember students, to start a business, license is very important. License is very important. And the person must be very capable and he must bear various type of risks. He should be able to bear various type of risks to run the business. Business. Second one is profession. What is profession? Profession means an occupation. An occupation of what? Rendering specialized services to the public. Rendering specialized services. An occupation of rendering specialized services to the public with the expectation of earning fees is called profession. To do profession, professionalized skills, applications, knowledge and talent is very important. Here qualification is very important. We can give some examples to the profession. Example, lawyer does profession, doctors does profession, chartered accountants, examples for the profession, mechanical engineer, example for the profession, artist, example for the profession, plumber, example for the profession, right? Professor, example to the profession, right? To all of them, to the all professionals, qualification is very important. People who does profession, they are called professionals. Example, medical service is the profession by the professional. Doctor, here doctor is a professional, he does the profession medical service, right? So doctors, lawyers, mechanical engineers, professors, artist, plumber, right, electrician are the best examples for the profession. What is profession? An occupation of rendering specialized services to the public with the expectation of earning fees. Here fees, this is the reward to the professionals. From their profession, professionals, they expect fees from their clients, from their customers. Last one is employment. What is employment? Employment nothing but the written agreement. The written agreement between employer and employee. Here employer means job giver. Employer, job giver. Employee means the job taker, right? Employee, double E means employee. ER means employer. The written agreement between the employer and employees, right, to perform the activities for the sake of earning wages or salary called employment. Example, peon, watchman, right, clerk. Some people they work in insurance company, some people they work in banking sector, some people they work as, right, marketing executives. They expect wages or salary. People who provide services for the sake of wages or salary, they are called employees. So employment, a written agreement between employer and employee, right, to perform the tasks with the expectation of earning salary or wages called employment. So in economic activities, right, three broad categories or three types, and these three are the examples for the economic activities. One is business, profession, employment. These three to earn money. If we start business, we earn money in the form of profit. If we render service as a professional, we earn money in the form of fees. If we go and work as an employee in a bank or in a factory, right, we earn the money in the form of salary or wages. Do remember students, these three are very important because these three are related to our business. We no need to discuss about non-economic activities. Our subject business studies related to economic activities. So thank you students. Do share, subscribe and comment.